currently minus 19 degrees and we're installing EV chargers on this boulevard. At a project of this scale, it's important to consider costs and the future-proofing of this installation. So right now we're at 24 stations, but down the line in 3, 5, 10 years, we might be expanding the capacity. So we have to find the balance of placing the right size of the transformer to save costs in the future installation.
We're currently at Sage Creek in Winnipeg, Manitoba in the electrical room, commissioning all the chargers, getting them live and active.
When installing EV chargers, we need to consider the electrical requirements and the capacity of the building. In this case, this electrical room is quite full and we need to place another transformer for 24 units that are placed in this parkade.
Doing these types of projects brings up their own challenges, especially with working with tenants that are living in the building. One of the obstacles that we come across is finding a desired location so this equipment will work. And all of the pieces of equipment that can't be exposed to weather, they're just inside the building, on the other side of the wall, where they can stay warm.
When we were battling these conditions, we had to take in many steps, like building shelters around panels. We had to make sure it stayed warm.